Hi, you're with Karen at the Trade Center with Channel 7 this afternoon. And we're in the gun corner, and we're going to have Tom and Bill kind of give you a quick tour. Tom, take it away.
At the Trade Center, all of our guns are used, and we try our best to make sure that everything works when it comes in and when it goes out. I'm holding right now Winchester Model 96 Skeet and Skeet over and under shotgun. It's a beautiful gun. These don't last long when we get one like this, so if anybody sees this ad on TV, you might want to come out and check it out.
Okay, Bill, what other kind of guns do we have?
Well, we have long guns, we have rifles. I have in my hand a Ruger Model 77 30-06 with a scope, and we have a very large selection of other rifles as well. As Tom says, come on down and take a look. They change almost daily, so come on down and see what we have.
Now we're over in the jewelry part of the store. The store is about half music and half jewelry. And we have quite a large range of jewelry. It starts with our estate jewelry up in the front. Then we swing around the corner to all the engagement rings, wedding rings, and get into colored stones. And on in the back, we also have sterling. Just as a quick review, I'll have Charlene tell you what we have right here in the way of wedding gifts or engagement gifts with Christmas coming up. You guys might want to consider this. Charlene, tell them what we have if the guy's interested in maybe getting married this year.
Okay, we have a large selection of engagement rings, the solitaires, and then we also have the wedding sets. And of course, the solitaires come in anywhere from a third up to 3/4. Sometimes we'll have a carat in those.
And we have the typical gold rings, both in white gold, just the plain bands, and white gold and yellow gold. And then we also have something new, and that's the stainless steel rings. And for those of you that are really on a budget, it might be an option for you. It's their comfort fit. We have them both in the silver tone and the gold tone, and those tend to run anywhere from like $9 to $15. So that's a real aid for those that are on a strict budget. And then we also have all the different kind of birthstone rings and all the colored stones. And then all those rings, people ask us where the rings come from. And they typically come from either pawned rings or rings that we purchase. But then when you get back to the sterling, Charlene does a nice job buying new sterling stuff. So we have both used and new, and she'll show you some of the new sets that we have.
We have amethyst, it's the earrings, the pendant, and the ring, which is very pretty. And then we have the turquoise sets. We also have blue topaz and garnet sets. We have a large variety of the sterling silver, and it's usually 50% off.
And one thing I wanted to mention about the Christmas, Charlene and I both like to gift wrap, and so we'll wrap them up really pretty for you. You won't have to worry about that at all. I know that we're coming up very quickly on Christmas, but we do have layaway. You want to explain how layaway works?
Okay, layaway, you pay 10% down and usually leave it for 3 months. If you do it in advance, of course, you can leave it for 6 months. Up until Christmas, but you know it's getting closer to Christmas now. And if it is a large item, we will extend it, to a certain length of time.
Okay, that's about it on the jewelry section. We do encourage you to, before you make your last minute purchase, to quick swing into the Trade Center, check us out, because we can usually save you quite a bit of money on your jewelry purchases.